seeds and pulp. BTX with pandan and 220 ml coconut milk. Add 200 grams of brown sugar and a teaspoon of salt. Stir the egg mix into the pumpkin, put into a bowl and fix the pumpkin. Steam over boiling water on very low heat. Steam for 1 hour at 200 grams per year.
Stirring pumpkin that doesn't crack.
Slow cooking steam over very